In the fast-paced world of work, finding moments of calm can be a challenge. But what if you could unlock your inner peace right at your desk? ASMR, or Autonomous Sensory Meridian Response, is a simple yet powerful way to reduce stress and boost motivation. In this video, we'll explore how you can use ASMR techniques to create a tranquil work environment and stay motivated throughout your day. Let's start by selecting the right tools. Even at work, you can incorporate subtle ASMR techniques. Consider the soft tapping of your keyboard, the gentle clicks of a pen, or the soothing sound of flipping through pages. Each of these can create a mini ASMR session right at your desk. Try experimenting with these tools to find what resonates with you. A calming environment is key to fully experiencing ASMR at work. Set up a small, peaceful space on your desk, perhaps a tiny plant, a calming screensaver, or a picture that brings you peace. And don't forget noise-cancelling headphones. These will help you immerse yourself in the ASMR experience without disturbing your colleagues. ASMR isn't just about relaxation. It can also keep you motivated. Try combining soft ASMR sounds with motivational affirmations or gentle background music, for example. As you tap your keyboard, repeat affirmations like "I'm focused and driven," or "I accomplish my tasks with ease." These small practices can make a big difference in your workday. To recap, ASMR can be a powerful tool in creating a stress-free, motivated work environment. From the right tools to a calming setup and motivational affirmations, these techniques can help you stay centered and productive. Give them a try and see how they can transform your work routine. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. Share your experiences in the comments below and let us know how ASMR is helping you stay motivated at work.